Hi guys, welcome to Parfum channel. My name is Julia, I'm the owner of Parfum studio Ess-Bouquet, and here I will invite you to show the way how to create handcraft candles. And in this video I will show you how I create my fragrance for candle. If you are interested in creating Parfum natural candle by your hands, stay tuned. In my previous video, I told you about La Tulipe Byredo. That I like this fragrance and I want to create some kind of white flowers fragrance for my candle. So today, let's speak about this fragrance and then I tell you some secrets how to create this fragrance for your candle and how to add it into your candles if you do it by your hands. Okay, let's start with smelling these fragrance. La Tulipe, maybe you know, there is no any oil or absolute of tulip. So we will see what will be the fragrance. I take my blotters. It's very fresh, cosmetic, a little bit greeny, white flower, very intense freshness, really cosmetic and powdery, and I feel some kind of Ianon, some kind of Oris, and it's very nice fragrance for spring candle. If you are a beginner in perfumery and you want to create this fragrance, I can give you some hints. Okay, what I feel inside? I feel green notes, some kind of stearyl acetate. It's the smell of rhubarb, some kind of rhubarb and green vegetables. I feel inside some kind of lily of the valley, some kind of jasmine, some kind of hedion, a little bit mayol or lilial. And of course I feel some parts from rose, better to say from peony, white peony, a little bit rosy, freshness. And of course I feel powdery part. For cosmetic part, I can advise you to use Eon Gamma, methyl Eon Gamma or Eon Beta. It makes it more soapy, powdery, cosmetic. I like this fragrance. It's very nice for cream and for natural candle. So if you are really interested, try to create this fragrance at home. Just put your comments down this video or write me in Telegram channel and we can make online workshop to create this fragrance for your candle. Now, let me show you how I put the fragrance concentrate into my handcraft candle. I'm ready to create Parfum natural candle, and first, of course, I need to melt my cocoa and soya wax. As I told you in my previous video, when you melt your wax, you need to check the temperature for your future fragrance, which you will add. Usually I use temperature at about 48–50 degrees, and after I can put my fragrance into my candle. As you see, the temperature is high now. It's 64 degrees, so I need to wait a little bit when the temperature go down. Now temperature is okay for me and I can put it into the candle jar. I do it very careful not to make bubbles. It's some kind of meditation process. Then I need to put my fragrance, special fragrance for candle, which I create before. Usually I add 15–16% of fragrance. and do it this way, carefully. Of course, you can put your fragrance into your melting jug, but for me it's more easy, more comfortable to create individual candle. And then you slowly melting, mixing wax and your fragrance. The main recommendation is to check the temperature before you put in your fragrance, because if the temperature of wax too high, you can break your fragrance. Okay, that's it. Our candle is almost ready, and now we need few hours to wait. Voila. Finally, after a few hours, you will see your candle with a white wax and a woody wick in the center. If you have some questions, please write me in comments, and please don't forget to put like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you! Bye bye!